I'd like to thank C.F.R for sending the retractable extension cord reel for review. It measures about 8 inches high, 10 inches across. From the mount out here is 11.5 inches. The mount bracket itself, 7 5/8, and sticks out from the center here to the end 3 inches. So when you mount it, it can pivot. Power cord from the reel to the power source, the receptacle, is going to be 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot, 56 inches, 4 foot 6 inches. Hanging from the tip here is 21 inches. It'll be dangling there. And then, like it says here, 30 feet of cord to come out. It weighs 6 pounds and 6 ounces. If you're pulling the cord, it looks like it takes 2 or 3 pounds of force to pull the cord out, which doesn't feel like any force at all. Comes with 2 different types of fasteners, so if you've got concrete block walls or wood, you can fasten it to just about anything. The bracket has the big and elongated holes so that you can pre-drill, put your fasteners up, and then just slip this over it and drop it down into the slots. There are 3 features I really like about this reel. One is that you pull it out, you can hear it clicking, and that's the ratchet mechanism that holds it out so it's not pulling against you when you're trying to use it on something. The second thing is that it has 3 receptacles on the end. So you can plug 3 different things into it. And I'm not recommending that you use 3 things simultaneously, but if you got 3 different tools that you're using alternately, and you're just one person, you're probably only use one at a time anyway, but you don't have to plug and unplug all the time because you've got 3 receptacles there. My favorite feature is it not only has this LED light right here to indicate that it is plugged in and the power is on, but also has this LED on the end of the cord where the receptacles are. So if I've got this pulled out 20-30 feet away, I can see if I've got power. If something's plugged in and it's not working, I know it's the device that I plugged in and not the power cord. Now I don't have to deal with this every single time I want to use the cord over here in this corner of the barn garage, because I have this mounted right at the doorway. And it just keeps going and going and going and going. There we go. I'm pretty far out here. When I'm ready to put it up, it's that easy. Done. And I find it very frustrating when you order something and it arrives damaged. So I think it's worth noting that this comes in a double thickness box, and it was wrapped in bubble wrap, and it had above and below this extra padding. So well protected during shipping. Model number ZXZD70. Insanely cool cars, tool reviews, and auto repair videos.